Hello, my name is Teacher Laurence, and today we are going to learn about natural processes, and we are going to learn about how all these wonderful natural features are created. Does anybody know what this is?
Yes, Grand Canyon.
Yes, this is the Grand Canyon.
This is the Grand Canyon.
Good job. The Grand Canyon is a deep valley in Arizona, a state in the southwestern part of the United States. As we can see on this picture, this is where the Grand Canyon is located, in Arizona, in the United States. And the Grand Canyon is a valley. You can see the valley, and it is a deep canyon. It took millions of years for this canyon to form. And there are three natural processes that help form the Grand Canyon. And today we are going to learn about those three natural processes. Can someone please read the three natural processes that we're going to learn today?
Weathering, erosion, deposition.
Good job. Weathering, erosion, deposition. The first one is weathering. So weathering is defined as the process of breaking down large rocks into smaller pieces. As we can see on this picture here, we can see how ice infiltrated the big rock, and over time it broke the rock into many pieces. But what can cause weathering? Can anybody tell me? Nobody? Okay. So weathering can be caused by wind and by ice. So as we can see on this picture, wind can cause the rock to be shaved off, and here ice can break the bigger rock into smaller pieces. So the second natural process we're going to talk about today is erosion. Erosion is the movement of soil and small pieces of rock from one place to another. Can someone please read this second paragraph?
As the Colorado River flows through the Grand Canyon, it breaks off small pieces of the rock and carries these pieces downstream.
Downstream. Can everybody repeat downstream for me?
Downstream.
Good job. So as we can see on this picture, pieces of rock could be carried down the stream of this river and end up somewhere else. But what can cause erosion? Can someone tell me?
Ice and wind.
Good job. So ice and wind can both cause erosion. So look at those two pictures. The first one shows how soil particles are blown away by the wind. And here we can see how the ice is shaving off some of the rock in the mountain. The third and the last natural process that we are going to see today is deposition. So deposition happens when water or wind drops soil and small rocks in a new place. So if we look at this picture, we could see that a piece of rock could be carried from the top of this mountain down the stream to the mouth of the river. So this is the mouth of the river.
Mouth of the river.
Good job. So where does deposition take place? It often takes place at the mouth of the river. So the mouth of the river is where the river meets the ocean. So this is where the river meets the ocean, as we can see on this picture. And we can also see all the small pieces of rocks or soil that were deposited from the river into the ocean. Does anybody have questions? No? Well, thank you very much.